We're not. No.
It's too cold
Okay,
now.
so
And it's too wet.
causes and effects that you could have identified from this thing. And some of us were kind of struggling as I was walking around, Tyler, to identify the causes. But what you got to think about is, what is the main thing that happened in this passage? Because everything else that happened in this passage was because of that main event. So the main event there is the cause. So, Riley, what is the main thing that happened in this passage that everything else happened because of?
Last spring, the school board voted to make a major change. They decided to move the school start time from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Very good.
for all the schools in the school district.
Very good. So it moved, y'all, from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So that is the cause. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and type that over here. The cause in this passage was the change in start time.
The car. Wait, what? The cause and.
I just said what the main cause was, so I would know. The effects were, and now we're about to talk about those effects. I see your hands up, Bryson. You ready to tell me about an effect? Is that wise up?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me let everybody, are you type this with me? Do you have this typed? Let me let everybody get this typed, and then we'll talk about it.
When the science show that. Change.
I put the exact same thing as you. I didn't know you were supposed to put were, but I put were.
Well, if it's more than one, you gotta put were. If it's only one, you put was.
Wait, I think I said what?
Mama was supposed to be washing my shoes tonight, but I don't think she is.
Well, I usually like to wash shoes on the weekend when I have more than one day for them to dry. That's what I like to do.
And these take forever to dry.
Yeah. All right, what are some things that happened because of this change in start time? Adeline.
The new policy has now been in place for 2 months, and we're beginning to see some surprising results.
Okay, but what are the results?
The effect.
What are the things that happened? That sentence lets you know that they're coming, but what are they? Tell me what are some.
The test scores.
Okay. Boom. Test scores are up. Scores are up for 15, up 15%.
I got that.
Let me make me some more of them. Okay, what else? Chloe.
Schools are up almost 50%, seeing 20% drop in tardiness.
Okay, stop right there. Stop right there. I don't want you to take all of them. 20% drop in tardiness. Very good. Bryson.
What's tardy?
Tardiness is being late.
Oh.
Yeah, like when you get a tardy slip.
Yeah, like people coming in late. All right, Bryson, what else you got?
Students seem more rested and more cheerful.
Ooh, I like it, I like it, I like it. Students seem more rested and more cheerful.
We'd love that.
Do what, baby?
If we were all more rested and more cheerful.
No doubt.
Sometimes
Okay.
we just have bad days.
Anything else? Because that wasn't all. I saw a couple more. Noah?
Oh yeah, there have been a little change in test scores.
Bless you. Well, that's over the past 20 years, but now the scores are up 15%. What is it, Webster?
The students were now more likely to get in school on time.
Yeah, that has to do with tardiness. They're more likely to get to school on time. Look at this one. There's been a great deal of positive feedback. Case, what you got?
There was a great deal of positive feedback from teachers regarding students' behavior and attention span.
Okay, so positive feedback from teachers regarding students' behavior. Students' behavior and attention spans. Y'all, positive feedback means that the teachers are saying this about students, saying good things. So they're saying the very next sentence, students have been less sluggish and more alert. Okay? Less sluggish and more alert.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
Okay? So that all has to do, what is it, Cohen? Okay. So my sentence over here, the effects were higher test scores, less tardiness.
Do we have to put all of it?
I'm just shortening it up, but yes, I would like you to. Higher test scores, less tardiness, better behavior, attention spans, and better attitudes.
Yep, get that.
And that's as far as you really have to go. I'm not going to make you write a paragraph over here about how you found your answer yet. Case what?
It even says overall.
Yeah. It even does say overall. Look,
Overall topic.
here are some clues. Those are the clue words again. And yes, it says, oops, I went the wrong way. Yes, it says overall as a conclusion, which we often use as a conclusion. Very good. There are also other clue words. What is it, Cohen? Oh, I thought you were going to say something. You got to quit never minding me. If you need me, ask for me.
No, because you went to the
Oh, I went to the wrong slide. Okay. So, guys, thumbs up when you have this copied or highlighted.
Better. It's cold.
I don't like it whenever I try to, oh, what just happened?
Okay, so I'm going to stop recording. And this is not going to go away, but we're about to have to line up for